The high-intensity infrared LED light from Larson Electronics emits non-visible infrared beams in outdoor work sites. This 370-watt infrared LED lamp provides operators with a rugged and powerful LED alternative. The infrared light is offered in 750, 850, or 940 nanometer infrared band configurations. This fixture features high frosted opaque lens that removes hotspots associated with high-powered LEDs. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.